Cotton swab is not recommended. It pushes the earwax back into the ear. Demicso is a reusable and ecological ear cleaner that replaces your disposable cotton swabs. It does not push back earwax. Demicso is supplied with 2 sizes of soft tips made of a biocompatible material. It has a unique patented system. Its tips have 2 curved sides that allows you to scoop the earwax, and grooves that prevent earwax from being pushed into the ear. The flexibility of the tips guarantees a pleasant use. Demicso is also made in Switzerland. Use Demicso after shower or rinse it with warm water. At first, gently insert the ear cleaner by turning it on itself to capture the earwax. In a second step, tilt Demicso to scoop the ear. Supplied with its storage tube, Demicso can be stored neatly in your bathroom or handbag. Demicso, first-class ear cleaner.